Hi, this is Heather Cray again, Director of Test Prep for Success. And here I am to give you an explanation for this SAT Math Challenge question. This is a ratio question and it's medium because we do have like a triple ratio here. So in this question, Angela has nickels, dimes, and quarters. The ratio of nickels to dimes is 3 to 2. So nickels to dimes. Let me fix this here. That'll look better. Nickels to dimes is 3 to 2. And the ratio of dimes to quarters is 7 to 5. And the question asks, what is the ratio of nickels to quarters? So nickels are with my first ratio here and quarters are here at my second. What I want to do is, first of all, the answer of 3 to 5, of just putting those two numbers together, that's overly simplistic. It is definitely the trap. So avoid jumping to an easy answer when you know the question is going to be a little bit more difficult than this. The way to approach it is to notice that both of these ratios have dimes in common. Dimes in the first ratio lines up with the number 2, and dimes in the second ratio lines up with the number 7. So what I'm going to do in order to compare everything directly, I'm going to make sure that these two numbers, 2 and 7, turn into something that's equal to each other. So it's sort of like finding a lowest common denominator in fractions. I'm going to come up with the lowest common multiple. That's going to be 14. 2 times 7 is 14. So for the first ratio, I want to change dimes to 14. And for the second ratio, I want to change dimes also to 14. So now let's go back to nickels. Dimes used to be 2, and I multiplied that by 7 to get 14. So the 3 also needs to be multiplied by 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Now look here, dimes used to be 7, and I had to multiply it by 2 to get 14. That means my 5 will also have to be multiplied by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now I can directly compare nickels to quarters because I can see that those middle terms, the dimes, are now equivalent to each other. So my final answer here is nickels to quarters is going to be 21 to 10. For a question like this, go back, read the question one more time. Make sure that you got nickels first, quarter second. Nickels first with 21, quarter second with 10. Verify that is correct. Use the final answer and you can move on to the next question.